Welcome to All About PCOS, your specialized channel for everything about polycystic ovary syndrome. In today's episode, we're delving deep into herbal remedies and supplements, offering step-by-step preparation methods and advice on the best times to use them. If you have PCOS or know someone who does, this video is for you. While this information is meticulously researched, always remember to consult a healthcare provider for personalized guidance, especially if you are taking other medications. Detailed preparation and usage guide for herbal remedies for PCOS. Spearmint tea. Preparation. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried spearmint leaves in 8 ounces, about 1 cup of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Best time to take. Drink a cup both in the morning and evening for optimal results in managing androgen levels. Inositol. Preparation. Mix the recommended dose, typically around 2 grams, of powdered inositol in 8 ounces of water or juice. Best time to take. Consume this mixture once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for improved absorption. Cinnamon. Preparation. Use ground cinnamon by adding half to 1 teaspoon to foods, or take a cinnamon supplement as directed. Best time to take. Incorporate it into your breakfast or with other meals to help regulate blood sugar levels throughout the day. Licorice root. Preparation. For tea, use 1 teaspoon of dried root per 8 ounces of boiling water, steeping for 5 to 10 minutes. Best time to take. Enjoy this tea once daily, preferably in the morning, but avoid long-term continuous use. Berberine. Preparation. Take berberine capsules as directed on the package, usually with 8 ounces of water. Best time to take, with meals to assist in managing insulin resistance, typically twice or thrice a day. Red clover. Preparation. Brew as tea using 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried flowers per 8 ounces of boiling water. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Best time to take, once daily in the morning. Maca root. Preparation. Add 1 to 3 teaspoons of maca root powder to smoothies, yogurt, or beverages. Best time to take. Ideal in the morning or early afternoon, as its energizing effects can interfere with sleep if taken late. Chasteberry. Vitex. Preparation. Chasteberry is typically taken as a supplement. Follow the dosage on the package. If using as tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried berries in 8 ounces of hot water for 10 minutes. Best time to take. In the morning, as it can affect hormonal levels throughout the day. Saw palmetto. Preparation. Usually taken in capsule form. Follow the recommended dosage with a glass of water. Best time to take. With a meal, either in the morning or evening. Ashwagandha. Preparation. Mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder in 8 ounces of warm milk or water. Best time to take, preferably in the evening, as it can help induce relaxation and improve sleep quality, both of which are beneficial for PCOS management. That wraps up the video on herbal remedies and supplements for PCOS, complete with detailed preparation instructions and the best times to use them. At All About PCOS, we're committed to providing you with accurate and helpful information to support your journey with PCOS. Remember, consistency is key when taking herbs for PCOS. It may take up to 3 months to see changes, so stick with it. It's well worth trying, and you owe it to yourself to help your body heal. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and comment with your thoughts or experiences. Your interaction helps us reach and support more people in the PCOS community. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on managing PCOS. For further details, resources, and personalized advice, visit our website at www.allaboutpcos.com. Together, let's navigate the complexities of PCOS with knowledge and confidence. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember, you're not alone on this journey.